An opportunity in Andheri next to upcoming Adani International Airport District, secure and surrounded by 5-star hotels and premium commercial hubs. 2 and 3 BHK apartments, carpet area 2 BHK 625, 795 and 3 BHK carpet area is 1121. Thoughtfully designed air-conditioned apartments with super spacious private decks, premium amenities, higher returns on investment, higher rental yield, seamless connectivity for all your travel needs. For site visit, do contact us Jannat Homes. Also, you can list your property with us www.jannathomes.com.